in love with great tools. This is not a tool that the guys from Pluckery sent me. I bought it with my own money because the more I use the older versions that I've had that literally cost 3 or 4 times more than this, the more I couldn't stand them. Hard to adjust. As they get older, they're a little creakier. And again, everybody's got an opinion, but this little tool is amazing. There is the fret bender or straightener, okay? And they send you a little block that gives you the radius for the frets as you lay them on there to make sure they're correct after you run them through. No guesswork. You figure out what you need and there it is. With this, it's just simple and the thing just works. I put a little mount on the side of my workbench and put some blind nuts in it. And then through the bottom of this, you can see I took a couple of stainless steel screws, put them through and kind of screw it right in there. Let me show you what it looks like mounted. And here it is mounted. I just drilled some deeper holes on the back side of this so that these bolts would go all the way through. They're stainless steel. I didn't want to have to fool with cutting them, but guys, I'm telling you, this thing is just super slick. You ought to give them a peek. Again, it's Pluckery. They have all kinds of goodies on there, but this is one of my favorite tools that I have used. They happen to make it. And I also use a lot of their sanding blocks, radius sanding blocks. They're so much more inexpensive than some of the other ones that are out there. And it allows you to have a bunch of different ones. All my guitars have the 12-degree radius, so I've got 6 or 8 different 12-degree ones. And in using those, it allows me to put different sandpapers on them for whatever. But again, check them out, Pluckery. Cool stuff. Fret bender, neat.